Hello and welcome to my Weebly. My name is Lindsay Ryan Matthews and I'm going to be going over the website that I made. Here is my bibliography. I'm currently going to CWI for elementary education and I plan on having a minor in English. I'm going to finish my bachelor's degree at BSU. I love reading, it's my passion, and I want to teach children how to read. So I'd like to teach first or second grade, or possibly 7th or 8th grade English. Here is my Word page where I uploaded 2 lesson plans. One is 2nd grade social studies, going over the different landforms. And the second lesson plan I did is 2nd grade English, going over the Lorax by Dr. Seuss. I have my Excel page where I loaded up our Excel assignment. My PowerPoint page goes along with the social studies lesson plan and covers the different landforms. Here's my Webquest with the URL. And I did it on 3rd grade science, studying beavers and dams. For some reason, Webquest has been running pretty slow lately, so I might have to skip some of these pages to save time. I have all the pages, the introduction, tasks, processes, evaluation, conclusion, teacher page, and it just goes over how beavers are a keystone species and students will be doing research on beavers and sharing some facts and writing a little report. I have some links from National Geographic and the Smithsonian that students can upload and read. With the tasks, there's also a video that they can watch, a little documentary. And the process goes over how they're going to be writing their assignment. And there's a coloring sheet for them to fill out. The evaluation goes over the grading, which would be a 100-point total for the report. And the conclusion wraps everything up and gives them some more information if they'd like to research beavers on their own. This page is my classroom technologies, and I did my YouTube video on the Common Core, and this video just goes over that program. Last but not least, I have the Screen-O-Matic page where I am going to upload this video as soon as I'm done recording. And thank you for looking at my assignment.